As you can see, that's a 16 by 25 by 5 filter. So trying to replace the filter, for some reason, the filter won't go back into the right position. So I'll show you what I found. Upon looking inside the filter housing, this is what I found in the furnace. Kids ball. Now we'll try and put back the filter. That fits better. This is what we found. One of the kids' ball was in there. And we take the copper. These 2 notches. Should be cleaner, but I'll clean it all of this when I put the new filter in the next video. Get this into the groove here. And snap it in. That's it. Thanks for watching my video, and check in and replace it for this filter.